Now let us read the fourth one. The fourth question, you are given some pairs of linear equations and have to check whether these are consistent or inconsistent. If they are consistent, you have to find the solution by the graphical method. Let us solve the first one. The first one is, the linear equations are x plus y is equal to 5, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So first step, you have to find whether this pair of linear equations is consistent or not. Okay, let us write this in the standard form. That is x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. The second equation is 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. To check whether the given pair of linear equations is consistent or not, you have to compare the ratios. Okay, a1 by a2 you have to find out, b1 by b2 you have to find out, then c1 by c2. Let us find what is a here. What is a? Here what is a1? a1 is the coefficient of x, that is 1. What is b1? b1 is equal to coefficient of y, that is 1. What is c1? c1 is equal to constant term, that is minus 5. Let's find what is a2. a2 is equal to 2. What is b2? b2 is equal to again 2, that is coefficient of y. What is c2? c2 is the constant term, that is minus 10. Let us find the ratios a1 by a2 first. What is a1 by a2? a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. Okay, what is b1 by b2? b1 by b2 is, b1 is 1, b2 is also 1. Sorry, b2 is 2. So what's the ratio b1 by b2? 1 by 2. What is c1 by c2? c1 is minus 5, c2 is minus 10. That is minus get cancelled, 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. See what you conclude from this. Here we get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so if the ratios are equal, these pair of linear equations form coincident lines. Okay, so these lines will be coincident. If the lines are coincident, it will have infinitely many solutions. So these pair of linear equations, that is, we can say that is consistent. Okay, that is consistent. So the first question is whether this pair of linear equations is consistent or not. We concluded that it is consistent. So if these equations are consistent, it will have solution. That solution we have to find by graphical method. Okay, so how many solutions can this pair of linear equations have? It can have infinitely many solutions. Why? Because the lines are coincident. Now let us find graphically the solution of this given pair of equations. Okay, now from the first one, that is x plus y is equal to 5, you can find the value of y. What is y? Y is equal to 5 minus x. Now you have learned this in class 9. Okay, let us put here x. What is y? Y is equal to 5 minus x. You can give any values here. Okay, let us put x 0, then what will be the value of y? 5 minus x, that is 5 minus 0, that is 5. Now you can put x as 1, then what will be the value of y? Y is equal to 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, now let us say a second equation. From the second equation, you can find out what is 2y. What is 2y? 2y is equal to 10 minus 2x. So what is y from here? Y is equal to 10 minus 2x by 2. So you can divide by 2 throughout, isn't it? Then you will be getting 5 minus x. Let us put the value, different values for x and find the value of y. What is y? Y is equal to 5 minus x. Let us keep x, 5. Then what will be the value of y? 5 minus 5, that is 0. Let us put the value of x as 4. What will be the value of y? 5 minus 4, that is 1. Now let us represent this graphically. Okay, you know how to draw the graph. You have learned in class 9. So let us draw the graph. X-axis, mark it as x, mark it as y. Okay, x dash, y dash, So what are the maximum values we have here? 5 is there. In the y coordinate, maximum value is 5. In the x coordinate, the maximum value is 5. So let us mark it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now the first coordinate 0, 5, 0, 5. So x will be 0, y will be 5. This will be the point. Okay, x is 0, y is 5. So this will be the point. This point will be 0, 5. Okay, this will be 0, 5. Now the next coordinate is 1, 4. X coordinate is 1. Y coordinate is 4. So where will be the point? This will be the point. You see here x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 4. This is the point 1, 4. Now we can draw the graph. The graph will be like this, isn't it? So this is the first graph. So what is the first graph? X plus y is equal to 5. Now let us plot the second one. Okay, this is the first one. Let us plot the second one. The second one is the coordinates are 5, 0. What is the x value? X value is 5. So, if you draw this line straight, it will pass through here. Okay. So the first point is 5, 0. This will be the 5. Y axis, y coordinate is 0. So this will be 5, 0. Okay. Now second value, second coordinate is 4, 1. When x is equal to 4, y will be 1. So this will be 4, 1. So when you draw the graph, the second graph lies over the first one. So what do you conclude from these two graphs? These two graphs are coincident. Okay. So how many solutions it will have? It will have infinitely many solutions. And this pair of linear equations, they are consistent. You are given a pair of linear equations. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. First, you have to check whether these equations are consistent or not. To check that, you have to find the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Okay. What is a1 here? Here a1 is 2, b1 is 1, c1 is minus 6. From the second equation, what is a2? a2 is 4, b2 is minus 2, c2 is minus 4. Let us find the ratios. What is a1 by a2? a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now let us find out what is b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is equal to, what is b1? 1. What is b2? Minus 2. See, what do you conclude from this? We conclude that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, isn't it? What is a1 by a2? 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2? Minus 1 by 2. They are not equal. So, as a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, it will have the given pair of linear equations will have unique solution. That means it will be consistent. Why? You will be getting coincident lines. Okay, these two equation, graph of this equation will coincident each other, sorry, not coincident, it will intersect each other, so that you will be getting one solution. So the equations, this pair of linear equations, they are consistent. Now let us draw the graph to find the solution of this pair of linear equation. From the first equation, let us find out what is y. What is y from the first equation? Y is equal to, tell me, y is equal to, let us take 6 to the other side, you will be getting plus 6, 2x minus 2x, that is y. Now let us give different values for x and let us find out the corresponding value of y. What is y? Y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Okay, let us substitute x as 0. Then what will be y? X, if you put x is equal to 0, y will be 6 minus 0, that is 6. Let us put x 2. When x is 2, 6 minus 2 into 2, 4. 6 minus 4, that is 2. Is it clear? So you got the values of x and y. Let us find what is y from the second equation. Now let us take y to the other side. Then it becomes plus 2y. 2y is equal to 4x minus 4. Okay, let us find what is y here. Y is equal to 4x minus 4 by 2. See here, you can take 2 outside, then you will be getting here 2x minus 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So the equation becomes y is equal to 2x minus 2, because here we have taken 2 outside, that 2 and denominator 2, it get cancelled. Now let us give different values for x and let us find the corresponding value of y. Okay, let us put x1, then what will be y? Y will be equal to 0. Let's put x2, then y will be 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, now let us draw the graph for this using for this pair of linear equations. Okay, you know how to draw the graph? Draw x-axis and y-axis. So the maximum value of x is 2, maximum value of y is 6. Okay, let us substitute, let us put the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now for the first graph, first equation, for the equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Let us plot the graph. Okay, for the first one, 0, 6 is the first coordinate. 0, 6. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 6. Where will be the point 0, 6? The point 0, 6 will be here. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 6. 0, 6. The second 2, 2. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is also 2. So this is the point. This will be 2, 2. Okay. Now you can draw the graph here. You will be getting, a straight line like this. This is the graph for the first equation. Now let us draw for the second one. For the second one, x coordinate, the coordinates are 1, 0. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 0. So the point will be 1, 0. That will be here. So this point will be 1, 0. Second one 2, 2. So this will be 2, 2 again. Okay. Now when you draw the graph, it will pass through these points. This will be the graphical representation of the second equation. Now you see these two lines meet at one point, exactly at one point. What is that point? That point is 2, 2. So the solution of these equations, that is 2, 2. That means if you solve these two equations, you will be getting the value of x as 2 and y also as 2. So this is a solution of this equation. Okay, this pair of linear equations. So here we have seen, we are given pair of linear equations. If you are asked to find out the graphical solution, if the equations are consistent, for that we have found the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. While solving a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, we understood that they are not equal. That means these lines are intersecting. That means they are consistent. It will have a solution. Now graphically we represented the given pair of linear equations and we found the solution as x is equal to 2. That's here. X value, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Okay, I think it is clear. Now let us move to the next question. Let us read the seventh one. Here it is given that the graph of these two given equations, linear equations, make a triangle with x-axis. You have to find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So you are given two equations. So sure, you will be getting two straight lines. These two straight lines will make a triangle with the x-axis. Then it forms a triangle. You have to find the coordinates of the triangle, vertices of the triangle. Okay. Now let us draw the graph for these given equations. Let us consider the first one. From the first one, you can find out the value of y, isn't it? Let us take minus y to the other side. It will become plus y. Then what is y? Y is equal to x plus 1. Okay. Let us give the values for x and let us find the values of corresponding values of y. X, y. What is y? Y is equal to x plus 1. Let us put x is equal to 1. Then what will be the value of y? 1 plus 1, 2. Let us keep the value of x, 2. Then what will be y? 2 plus 1, 3. Now consider the second equation. From the second equation, let us find out what is 2y. 2y is equal to 12 minus 3x. Am I right? Keep 2y here, other two terms take to the right side. So 2y will be equal to 12 minus 3x. Now what is y? Y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 2. Okay. Now let us give different values for x and let us find the corresponding values of y. Okay. X and y. Now let us keep 0 as x. So this term becomes 0. What is 12 by 2? 6. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. Now you can put x as 4. Then 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12? 0. 0 by 2? 0. Now let us plot the graph for the first one. Okay. Now the maximum value of x is 4. The maximum value of y is 6. Okay. Now let us draw the graph. Let's use another color. X-axis, y-axis, 0. Let us mark the points 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put one more, 5. The y-axis maximum value is 6. Okay. So let us plot the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is 6. Now let us plot the graph for the first one. The coordinates are 1, 2. X value coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 2. So the point will be here, that is 1, 2. Okay. So this is 1, 2. The second coordinates, that is 2, 3. X is 2, y is 3. So this is the point, that is 2, 3. Now let us draw the graph. Okay. So you will be getting a straight line like this. So this is the graph for the first equation. Now let us draw the graph for the second one. 0, 6. X is 0, y is 6. So this is the point 0, 6. Okay, this is 0, 6. Now 4, 0. X is 4, y is 0. So this is the point 4, 0. Now let us draw the graph. Passing through 4, 0. So this is the graph for the second one. Now you see the given two graphs meet together at the point 2, 3, and along with x-axis it forms a triangle. Let us name the triangle, A, B, C. So we got a triangle ABC. Now if you extend this graph to the negative side, this will be -1, -2, -3, etc. So can you tell me what are the coordinates of triangle ABC? The coordinate of triangle ABC, the first one, coordinate of A, what is that? A is 2, 3. It is given there. It is 2, 3 because 2, 3. What is the coordinate of B? The coordinates of B are x value -1, y value 0. So B is -1, 0. Now what is the coordinate of C? C is 4, 0. So the given two linear equations in two variables represent in a graph paper. It forms a triangle with x-axis, isn't it? Then we get a triangle ABC, and you are supposed to find the coordinates of triangle ABC. Now the coordinates we got here, A is 2, 3, B is -1, 0, and C is 4, 0. Some cases, you will be asked to find the area of this triangle also. So how can you find the area of this triangle? What's the area of triangle? Area of triangle is, half BH. That is the area of triangle, half BH. What is B? That's the base of the triangle. So what is the base of the triangle? From -1 to 4. So what is this distance? This will be 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. So 5 is the base. 5 unit is the base. Now what is height? This is the height. What is the height? 3 is the height. So if you substitute B, for 5 and 3 as B and H, you can find the area of this triangle also. So this is the required triangle. Okay. I think it is clear. It's a very simple one. Okay. Now, you can practice similar problems by clicking the link given in the description. You can get the few questions, similar type questions you can download it, and its answers are also given. Okay, now you can try yourself and check whether you are able to do this type of problems. Okay, these are important problems for your board examination. Thank you. Hi students, if you want to master the subjects, especially mathematics, you have to practice similar types of problems. Okay, so the similar problems are given in the link given in the description. You can click the link, you can get the PDF downloaded, and you start practicing. Now, if you have not subscribed our channel, you subscribe it and share with your friends. Okay, I'll be coming soon with new topic the very next day. Thank you.